a Google reference district, so we are very heavy on the Google side of things. But with that comes a bit of a cost because you open up, you change your file storage. We still have local file storage, but most of our staff are moving to the Google storage because it's a lot broader. You can store a lot more there. But what we find is that they store everything there, and they end up storing things. Number one, like PII information, which we ask them not to store, because even though we all trust Google implicitly, which we don't, but the fact is it's a system that is completely out of our control, and so it just takes someone getting their password, and all of a sudden they have access to their files, and that's anywhere in the world. So we want them to be protective on that kind of thing, but also how they share. I think that's important because what we see a lot is you have people that go into like a Google Drive and they'll open up a folder as a public to anybody, and they'll do that for a purpose. There's a legitimate purpose to make that folder public to anybody in the world who wants to see it. But then they accidentally put a folder inside of it, and then they drop some picture or some file or an ARD meeting or something maybe they shouldn't be storing on Google Drive, but now they've also stored it in a place that's shared to the public, and they don't realize how they're sharing it. So I think that's one of the areas that we have to instruct quite a bit is that it's not just about storing stuff on your drive. It's about what you're storing, how you're storing it, really identifying that data and understanding if it is it a safe place to be. Should it even be on a file share, or should it be on a in a vault somewhere? So getting that data delivery type and now it's not just about storing, it's about where we're storing it. And especially when you have more going Office 365 and Google, as well as other products, that becomes a real concern, both internally and externally.